this is recording, so we'll try to repeat again in case someone gets late. So you have to quit this the leaves from the strawberry with a fork or something, or with your hand. So you have your strawberry like this. Traten de sacarle las hojitas a las frutillas con lo que puedan. Mejor si tienen algo duro como el mismo tenedor. And next step, I will tell you two options. So you have two options. In case you have the blender, you can use it. So the water is going to be here with the strawberries. We are going to use the water with the strawberries before mixing with the salt and the soap. If you don't have the blender, you can use your fork to crush your strawberries in a plate or dish or something. So let me know how is it going. So I will use the blender, it's easier for me and quickly. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, and those are big strawberries. And I will measure like 50 millimeters in my jar of water. Let's see, so.
I'm sorry, Natalia, was it 60 or 50?
50, but I think you can see your blender because I'm seeing that 50 for this blender is not so much. So I will measure 100. Yeah, there is no problem.
All right, thank you.
Bueno, voy a poner entonces las frutillas con 100 mililitros de agua en la licuadora. No hay problema si ponen más, porque si tienen frutillas muy grandes, tal vez les quede como que así. Can you see my strawberries with the water? It's like the half. Okay. Sorry for the sound, but I will turn on this. Sorry. Now we are going to make the mix. I will use this jar. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen or in your personal lab. And now I have something to measure liquids like a jeringa. Help me. I don't remember the word in English. You have to measure like 10 millimeters. Okay. So let me know if you need more explanation or I'm losing something.
Perdón, Natalia, ¿podrías repetir cuánto necesitamos de lavavajillas en la jeringa, por favor?
10 mililitros. Los estoy midiendo con una jeringa. 10 mililitros. Y si no, ahora tengo mi cuchara, my spoon, and I will tell you how many spoons are. Okay? So it's easier for you. It's 1 spoon. Full. So you can mix it. And for the salt, the same, 1 spoon or 20 grams if you have your something to measure it.
Sorry, Natalia, what was that last thing? Alcohol?
No, the alcohol is the last step, so not yet. It's the soap for dishes. Es el lavavajillas lo que me di.
¿Y el botecito azul que tiene?
Sal.
Ah, sal, ok. También una cucharada de sal.
Yeah, 1 spoon of salt.
Perfecto, gracias.
1 spoon. Ready, and you mix it. You have to mix everything a lot. So what's happening here? Do you remember how is the cell made? Do you have phospholipids that make the membrane? So the soap, sorry, it's opening space through and está rompiendo la membrana, el detergente, la membrana de fosfolípidos. So the membrane it's getting opening, and the salt works for the charge in proteins, so you can charge with different ions the proteins and some lipids, so you will separate the DNA from the proteins and the lipids. Entonces, lo que está pasando es que la sal va a cargar a las proteínas que tienen ciertos, bueno, con sus iones, y eso va a ayudar a separar el ADN de las otras partículas que están pasando. It doesn't matter if you put first the salt or the soap. It doesn't matter. So everybody is here. Do you need some more time? Yes, no, yes, okay, thank you. So next step is taking your coffee filter or your paper filter. You have to use something to put, if you don't have something like this, you can use something with like this, like a glass, and you put your paper and you will open it so it doesn't fall. Okay, I would use this one because it's better. El siguiente paso entonces es usar su papel filtro de papel y algo que tengan para ponerlo, y vamos a hacer pasar toda la mezcla por el papel filtro a algo que se vea mejor. Bueno, yo lo estoy haciendo para que se vea para ustedes algo de vídeo. So you have to put all your mix with strawberries, soap, and salt through the filter, and this takes some time.
Natalia, the soap and the salt were just mixed without the use of a mixer, just by a
With a spoon.
spoon? Ah, okay, perfect.
Because if you put in the blender, the soap is going to be a lot of spoon. So.
Yeah, that's true. And we haven't added the alcohol yet, right?
No, alcohol is the last step. So
okay.
First you have to pass your mix through the paper. So we wait. As you see, this takes some time. Okay, I will bring my camera to show you. So we are here. It takes some time. So if someone misses a step, I'm here, we can repeat it. Entonces ahora lo que hacemos es solamente esperar que pase la mezcla a través del papel filtro, y vamos a separar entonces las partes más grandes que quedaron todavía, y el ADN va a ir cayendo hacia abajo. Y ahora vamos a verlo en el último paso. So everything is going through the paper, and the DNA is going to be in the liquid. We are separating the bigger parts. As you see, I didn't mix it so much, so I have big parts of the strawberry yet. Yeah, Harsh, I hear you.
Yeah, so I got kind of lost after blending the strawberries. So what are we supposed to do after that step?
Yeah, you have to measure 10 millimeters or one spoon of dish soap. Do you have?
Okay.
And also 1 spoon of salt or 20 grams.
Okay. And then just mix it with the.
Yeah, with the spoon.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Let's, yeah. You can help your filter with your spoon, but it takes time. Pueden ayudarse con la cuchara para que pase un poco más rápido, pero siempre toma tiempo. Este es el paso más largo. So Andres, how's it going, Miguel?
I have some logistic issues here because my roommate is leaving. So, but I will catch up soon.
Okay. So remember that the strawberries has a lot of cells. That's why we're going to have a lot of DNA. So you will be able to see the DNA with your own eyes. We don't need something to like light, some special light or some special color, anything. Así que recuerden que de la frutilla vamos a tener como muchas células, o sea, tenemos muchas células, entonces cada célula va a tener su propio ADN y por eso es que tenemos mucho ADN en la frutilla. Y van a ver a simple vista el ADN sin necesidad de algo especial, como una luz o algo de color. So, Miguel, are you trying to do it? Brian, the volunteers, are you doing the experiment?
I'm working on the translation.
Okay. Eugenia?
I'm trying to speed up with the.
Okay. So, Eugenia, did you want to explain why are we using, please, in Portuguese, the salt and the soap?
I was translating here in this chat. So
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Gente, se vocês não estão entendendo, pode me mandar mensagem, tá bom? Quem for do Brasil.
But we love to listen your Portuguese. Everybody that says that.
I said that if they are having any doubts, they can talk to me.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
Hola, ¿puedo decir mi pregunta en español?
Claro.
Ok, fui a la cocina porque no podía partir las fresas con mi tenedor, así que usé la licuadora y ahí ya le puse el jabón líquido y una cucharada de sal, ¿era?
Ujú, sí.
Ok, ya, entonces ahora lo filtro.
Sí, ahora hay que filtrarlo con el papel.
Ok. Gracias.
Sí. No, de nada. Este es el paso que más tarda. Les juro que después van a ser un minuto. This is the last step, almost the last step, and it's the longest step. So I promise 1 minute after this step, and you will see your DNA. Also, I wanted to say, if you want to try to extract your own DNA, you can do it. You need something to scratch your cheek, like algodón, like something with that to.
Like a Q-tip, yeah.
Yeah, like cutie. So you can froze your cheek inside, and instead of the strawberries, you will do all the steps with that sample, just to mix it. Si quieren tener su propio ADN, también lo pueden hacer. Eso lo pueden hacer con algo con algodón para frotar la parte de adentro de su cachete. Ahí, en lugar de las frutillas, lo que tienen que hacer es hacer toda la mezcla con esa muestra. Entonces solamente como que mezclan con el cotonete o con algo que tengan. But that means that you will have a little sample because your DNA is too small. You can squish or your cheek, pero van a tener poco ADN porque no pueden lastimarse el cachete, romperse. Entonces son menos células. Pero igual se puede ver. So,
You guys can cut your own finger if you want and then make, no, I'm kidding.
Can work. Okay, how is it going? So mine is like at the beginning. Andres, we can make a pic of the day with our samples of DNA, right? What do you think?
Yes, that's a good idea. Let's do it. I'm taking some pictures of you right now.
Okay. No memes for me. Forgot about it. Okay, we have time. Do you want music in the background? I can put my Spotify. What do you like?
Well, that's a good idea. Let's play some music.
Rock classics.
I'm begging you to make
So everybody's good? Everybody's in this step?
Yes, so Natalia, we have to wait until most of the liquid, if not all
Wait,
of the
I can
liquid,
hear you.
passes through the filter.
Wait. Please, sorry, the music.
Yeah, don't worry. So we have to wait until most of the liquid, if not all of the liquid, passes through the filter.
Yeah, most of the liquid. So
Okay.
if you have more liquid, you will have more DNA.
Okay, great.
That's why we're waiting to really see that DNA.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Eugenia, you were asking about music of Bolivia. I can do it. Let me see.
I asked them the music from the country, but
Yeah, play some music from Bolivia, Natalia. I think I've never heard music from Bolivia.
right. Okay. So I'm from Santa Cruz, and this is music from Santa Cruz.
Y al recordar hoy tus ojos tan fijos en mí, veo el sol, la playa y el mar, horizontes que no conocí.
Está bien bonito.
Corre
Suena como
clavado
bossa nova un poco, o no sé.
y yo la
¿Está bien?
flor de tu
I can hear
piel y
you.
esa
Sorry.
noche
Don't worry, don't worry.
de lejos te siento venir.
What?
No, don't worry. I was just thinking if, like, it sounds a little bit like bossa nova, maybe the rhythm, or maybe I'm listening wrong.
Yeah, it's another version, not really, but the song is from Santa Cruz. The name of the song is Niña Canba. It's like Canba kid or Canba girl. Canba is the way that people from Santa Cruz are called.
Okay. So Canva is like the way people in Santa Cruz act and talk, and just like a very Santa Cruz thing. Canva.
It's like saying, let me see. I know that people from Bogota, they are called rolos. And in Mexico, I heard chilangos, people from.
So como un gentilicio.
Yeah, it's like that.
Okay, perfect. Very nice.
Que se alejan de mi corazón, cual gaviotas que no volverán a posarse en mi arena sin sal. Serenata frente a tu balcón, soy bohemio que dice su adiós, soy un ave libre que busca la felicidad. Canva, yo sé que te llevo dentro, porque mi canto y mis versos siempre te quieren nombrar. Ya me llevo todos mis sueños, me voy esta noche lejos, donde te pueda olvidar. Palabras de amor que se alejan de mi corazón, cual gaviotas que no volverán a posarse en mi arena sin sal. Serenata frente a tu balcón, soy bohemio que dice su adiós, soy un ave libre que busca la felicidad. Canba, yo sé que te llevo dentro, porque mi canto y mis versos siempre te quieren nombrar. Niña, me llevo todos mis sueños, me voy esta noche lejos, donde te pueda olvidar. Niña, me llevo todos mis sueños, me voy esta noche lejos, donde te pueda olvidar, donde te pueda olvidar, donde te pueda olvidar, donde te pueda olvidar.
Okay, Martin is from the past. Do you want to put something from the past, Martin? A song from the carcass or whatever you want?
I was thinking maybe Eugenia's song first.
I didn't see the message. Of course.
A Garota de Ipanema.
Okay. So I will search.
She put one in the chat, I think.
Garota. Yeah, I found it. Here. Is this one real, right?
Porque estou tão sozinho. Porque tudo é tão triste. Beleza que existe. A beleza que não é só minha, que também passa sozinha.
Se ela soubesse que quando ela passa, o mundo inteirinho se enche de graça e fica mais lindo por causa do amor. Por causa do amor. Por causa do amor.
Natalia?
Yeah.
I have tried with my cells, with my, the cells of my mouth, with my DNA, and I think I'm seeing it now.
You already finished?
The DNA of my own DNA, yes. I think.
Yeah. So Did you did the mix with the soap and the salt?
Yes, and then I put the alcohol.
Yeah, that's the last step. Great. Can you show us?
Okay, but I don't know if it is okay.
Let's see.
I don't know if you are watching it.
Yeah, we see your screen.
I think you should try to change your background because we can see because.
Wait a moment, please.
Yeah, exactly. Just mejor elimina el background porque no se ve bien.
Wait for a moment, please.
Ah, nice. We should take a picture all together with the results.
Yeah. Also, I think it's a good idea that everybody takes pictures of their own tables with all their materials.
Yes.
And then we can make like a collage.
Yes, let's do it. I've seen some of them are, some of you guys are putting in Instagram. Okay, let's see what Andrea has.
Oh, great. Oh, okay. Andrea, can you put the camera? Okay, I'm going to move my camera.
Okay.
Let me pin you because it's too small. Yeah, you see something white, right? Like yeah, it's that. Great job.
That's your own DNA?
Yeah, she said that it's her own DNA.
It looks like a very clean DNA.
Andrea, can you try to move it with something? Yeah, now we see better. Do you see, guys, the white floating? That's DNA. Serge, in the chat, no, we didn't yet. The ethanol is the last step, so we're waiting for the filter. Thank you, Andrea. It's great. So you have a post for your social media for today. Remember that everybody has to do it, so we have points for the club number 4. Okay, one song more, and then we try the ethanol. What song do you want? I'm like a DJ. Tell me. Martin, do you have one song?
Yeah, I don't think so. I've been trying to think about one, or maybe one from the Carcas. That one that was Llorando se fue.
Carcas. Okay, I found like lo mejor Carcas, the best.
They're kind of old, but
it's
yeah.
classic in Bolivia.
Yeah.
But I can find that song. Se fue is se fue?
No, Llorando se fue.
Let me try with the name. Yeah, here. Okay. Last song.
y me dejo solo sin sabor. Solo estará recordando este amor que el tiempo no puede borrar. Solo estará recordando este amor que el tiempo no puede borrar. La recuerdo hoy y en mi pecho no existe el rencor. La recuerdo hoy y en mi pecho no existe el rencor. Viendo esta acá, recordando el amor que un día no supo cuidar. Viendo esta acá, recordando el amor que un día no supo cuidar.
Okay, so I don't have everything from the mix, but we are going to finish because I have really a nice part. I don't know how are you. I will put this here. So I have this kind. And the last step is just to take your ethanol, who is cold, it's cold yet, and you have to put the ethanol in your liquid. And that's, okay, I will do it closely in case you can see. So that's all. I will show you closely, but I already seen the DNA. So let me move this. What? Yeah? Let me, wait. Okay. So I think you can see here. So there is the red part, this white notable part, and then the ethanol. So the white is the DNA. So it's a lot. Can you see it?
So Natalia, we just add ethanol until we see kind of a separation of phases?
Try to add the same amount of ethanol that the part of liquid you have. So you will.
Okay, okay. Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That looks awesome. That looks amazing. Wow, that's a lot of DNA.
How's yours?
No, I have to do it later. Unfortunately, I'm very sorry, but I'm gonna definitely do it. But
Okay.
it looks awesome. I think Andrea had a question about how to stain or like add some kind of dye to the DNA.
Okay, sorry, I wasn't watching the chat.
But yeah, I don't know if it's possible. I think.
Let me explain the last part in Spanish. Entonces, la última parte es aplicar el alcohol que estaba frío y traten de aplicarlo como la misma cantidad de líquido que tuvieron del filtrado. Y entonces van a ver, ven que sigue flotando mi ADN. Entonces van a tener como esta diferencia de 3 colores, que es como la parte roja, la parte así como más clara, donde está el etanol, este es el etanol, y el ADN tiene, fíjense que acá como que subió hasta arriba, al principio estaba como en la parte del medio, es el ADN, y es mucho ADN. So I will see the chat to answer your questions, and that's all. So let's see. Yeah. Andrea, sí puedes teñirlo con colorantes, pero son todos los colorantes para ADN son cancerígenos, así que creo que es mejor que no lo intentemos. Y el último paso, aunque a Brian, gracias por la ayuda. Y Eugenia. Thanks, Eugenia and Brian, for the help. So that's all, guys. So you have your DNA. And maybe if you finish, we can take a picture of the day again.
Yes, let's do it. Let's bring everyone for the picture. You guys should try to turn on the cameras and you know, show us.
Yeah, perfect.
Wow, nice. Good job.
Oh.
Awesome.